crypto market is bleeding red today with prices tumbling across the board. Bitcoin has dropped below 106K. The DeFAI sector has completely crashed, losing over 16%, and a high-profile trader just lost $87 million in profits in 5 days. But amid all this chaos, one project is preparing to launch crypto's first-ever initial attention offering tomorrow. Will this revolutionary tokenized attention economy survive its first major market test? I'm Alex from Moonward Capital, and this is your Crypto Pulse. Let's dive in. Welcome back to Crypto Pulse by Moonward Capital, your twice-daily flash update on everything you need to know in the crypto markets. I'm your host, Alex, and we're tracking some major developments in today's turbulent market. Let's start with the big picture. The entire crypto market is experiencing a significant pullback today, with most assets in the red. Bitcoin has fallen 2.09% to $106,041, while Ethereum has dropped more dramatically, down 5.21% to 2,625. But the real carnage is happening in specific sectors. The DeFAI sector, that's the combination of DeFi and AI, has absolutely collapsed, crashing 16.38% in just 24 hours. Memecoins aren't faring much better, down 9.03%. This correction appears to have been triggered by a massive $11.7 billion options expiry that set off a liquidation cascade throughout the market. When we see this kind of synchronized selling across multiple sectors, it typically signals a broader risk-off sentiment rather than concerns about any specific project or narrative. Now let's break down the three biggest stories driving today's action. First, high-profile trader James Nguyen has just experienced one of the most dramatic reversals in recent crypto history. After building up $87 million in profits over the past few months, he's now lost it all, plus an additional $3 million in principal, after a 40x leveraged Bitcoin position faced liquidation pressure when BTC briefly touched $163.14. This is a stark reminder of how quickly leverage can destroy wealth in crypto markets. No matter how skilled you are, 40x leverage is essentially playing with fire. Second, we've just received the tragic news that Eugene, the co-founder of privacy-focused protocol Plume, has passed away earlier this week. The Plume token is down nearly 15% amid the uncertainty, though the team has committed to continuing his vision for on-chain innovation. Our thoughts are with his family and the entire Plume community during this difficult time. And finally, despite the broader market turbulence, mysterious social fee project StayLoudio is preparing to launch crypto's first-ever initial attention offering tomorrow. This innovative tokenized attention model will distribute trading fees to content creators based on engagement metrics, potentially creating a self-sustaining ecosystem that aligns user incentives. The timing couldn't be more challenging, with this launch coinciding with the market's first significant correction in months. This will be a critical test of whether attention economy tokens can maintain value during broader market downturns. So what should we make of all this? First, let's monitor Bitcoin's critical $105,000 psychological support level. If this fails to hold, we could see further liquidations cascade through the market. Second, watch StayLoudio's IAO participation metrics tomorrow as a key indicator of whether the social fee narrative can maintain strength amid market turbulence. This innovative model represents a fundamentally different approach to value creation in crypto: sustainable tokenized economies versus high-risk leverage speculation. And third, pay attention to sector rotation. While speculative sectors like DeFAI and Memecoins are suffering the most severe losses, data, plus around 18%, and lending, plus around 21%, are showing relative resilience. This flight to quality often happens during market corrections. Now I want to hear from you. Which approach do you believe creates more sustainable value in crypto? Innovative, tokenized attention economies that align user incentives, or traditional trading strategies that often rely on leverage? Drop your thoughts in the comments below. If you're finding these market updates valuable, make sure to hit that subscribe button and enable notifications to get Crypto Pulse delivered straight to your feed twice daily. And if you want deeper analysis, check out our premium research at moonwardcapital.com. That's your Crypto Pulse for now. I'm Alex, reminding you to stay informed, stay strategic, and I'll see you in 12 hours for our next update.